MRecktv.
Bring back the man in you, not because you need to, but because you will want to. Improve your weight room and bedroom performance with the all-new VasoFlux for Men natural dietary supplement. This unique blend of barks, roots, herbs, and vitamins is nature's way of keeping you in the game. And all for under $10. You can order yours today. Visit Youth Fountain Laboratory at youthfountainlab.com or call 1-800-853-7856 today.
Yo, wait. This M.Reck content is sponsored by yours truly. Tone Styles, Chi-Town, Holy City, Stand Up. Something to Prove, album out now on all streaming platforms. And like the big homie M.Reck say, double deuces and bubble gooses. I'm gone.
So now we back working in the studio, but now Gotti working on the Irv Gotti Presents the Ink project.
Gotcha.
In the midst of that, leading up to that, I was doing a whole bunch of records. So Gotti was like, "Yo, check this out, bro. We're gonna play this almost like your album. You know what I mean? Most you gonna be featured most on that. You know what I mean? You gonna do a lot of writing on it. We're gonna do like it's your shit, you know what I mean? And that's kind of like how that album works. So if you
That's
go back
dope, because you was all over that album.
Yeah, the Irv Gotti Presents the Ink. If you look at that joint, I was all over that. I was probably over there on it more than anybody else, and I wrote on there. You know what I mean? I wrote on shit that I wasn't even on.
Wow. You was ghostwriting.
Exactly.
Got you. Now, on that album, what was the lead singles, if you can remember?
The Irv Gotti Presents.
It
was the one I told you, the Down Chick joint.
That was the remix or the original?
That was the remix. That was the Down Chick remix that wound up calling it the Down Chick remix, but it was like, you know what I mean? I want to be your chick, or whatever the case may be. That's how the hook went.
And who's on that record?
That's Ashanti, Vita, Charlie Baltimore, and Rue.
And you said you ghost wrote.
Exactly.
Yeah, so we're gonna leave that.
So we're gonna leave it like that.
Let them put it together. You know what I mean?
So and the other one was The Pledge.
Ooh, that was hard.
That was a remix, and the original one was me and Ashanti.
Because the remix had Nas on it, right?
The remix had Nas. So those was like the two records that came off that album.
And this is around the time where all that hoopla was going on about Nas signing the Murda Inc.
Yeah,
possibly.
That's what's gonna happen, bro.
Well, take me there, man. Like, what was those meetings like? What was those studio sessions like? Bring us back there.
I'm gonna tell you, right? I only saw Nas one time, but the whole talk was like, "Yo, Nas, he gonna, man, he with it." Whoa. So I'm saying to myself, like, nah, this ain't Nas. That Nas probably ain't gonna, you know what I mean? But it was about to happen. So we got a session one time at Right Tracks Studio, and I was coming with like two of my, and Nas was coming out. I guess he was already in there with Gotti or whatever. And when I opened the door, I saw the nigga like in passing, and it was like, "Caddy, what's up, boy? What up?" It's my first time ever meeting this guy, everything.
And he's saluting you.
Word. I'm like, "Yo, oh shit." I'm like, "What's up, my guy? Everything good?" He's like, "Yeah, nigga, everything good." He said, "Everything good." Yeah, I said, "Yeah, it's Murda." And he was like, "Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir."
That's what's up.
And I was there. I was like, "Damn, that's crazy."
That's
I always with Nas, you know what I mean? I was like, "Damn, the gods."
Nah, yo, real talk.
You know what I mean? And let me say this. He was like, "Yo, what you doing, boy?" He was like, "Yo, keep working." I'm like, "My nigga, I appreciate it." Boom, boom.
That's love. Salute
You know
your
what I mean?
pen. That's what's up. Nah, I mean, I'm gonna say this. I tell niggas that nigga's the GOAT in my book. You know what I mean? Lyrically and like just he got it. You know what I mean? You know, there's a lot of GOATs, but like his pen game is on another note.
Another
You know,
note.
I'm gonna say that. During this time when Nas was possibly signing with y'all, the beef with Jay-Z was happening, right? I think the either takeover.
Nah, it was over.
It was over by then.
The beef was over, but it had happened.
It had happened, but it was simmering down. It was simmering down.
It was simmering down. It was simmering down.
Because now, at this time, because Gotti bought Jay-Z, DMX, and Ja to Def Jam. So now that he's possibly about to sign Nas, and, you know, they went through what they went through, but that ether still, you know, it had a wild sting on it. You know what I mean? That shit had a, you know, I left them with a crazy sting over there at Rockefeller. Like, you know.
I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I f with Hov, man. Like, I love that Jay-Z, bro. Real talk. That
nigga, GOAT too.
That nigga's a GOAT, man. That nigga's a GOAT.
Facts.
I love how that handled his business. I love everything about that nigga, bro. That takeover record, bro, was so fucking hard. I felt almost like you know, like you remember, you remember, but you're a Brooklyn, so it ain't affect you how it affected us back in the days. That fucking Bridges over shit. When then KRS-One dropped that shit, you know how that shit felt. Was like, damn, I don't know what Shane. What could that do after that? When Hov,
that Bridges over came out.
When Hov,
I'm gonna be honest with you.
When he just
no disrespect, you my man. It got spooky for you Queens niggas when that Bridges over dropped.
Man,
I'm keeping it real.
Oh man, it was spooky for real. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. But look, the way I felt about that record is how I felt about the takeover. When I heard that shit, I was like,
nah, it was hard.
I was like, what the how the Nas gonna come? I just like, man, this Nas gotta come back with some shit. And when that Ether shit dropped, I was so happy and proud that this represented like that, bro, because Hov had his foot on this neck with that.
Nah, he did, and Prodigy.
Word. Oh, he killed them niggas. I ain't gonna lie, them dead.
Oh, we gotta talk about that because there's a little history there.
Yeah. That killed them niggas dead. Nas, you know what I mean? Nas the only one that.
Your RP Prodigy and all that, and happy, but it was what it was. He killed those. He killed Mobb Deep.
For sure.
Jay-Z killed Mobb Deep. See, this is the thing. This is why I rock with you. We gonna call it for what it is. You know what I mean? You and I both. We gonna call it for what it is. Like it's history. You dig what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like all that political shit. This is MRecktv. This is Caddillac Tah. This is two talking that got a little history. We building right now.
But back to now what we were saying. Boom. So like, you know, that Nas shit was gonna happen, and then we was like, you know, moving around and shit. We was in LA. Jungle was out there. And shout out to Jungle. Jungle was hitting the town, riding. It was on some real Braveheart murder. Ain't ready to happen, bro. And that just didn't happen out of nowhere. I was just like, damn, what the happened?
Yeah, I think Nas just pulled out the last minute.
I guess
minute.
You know, after a bunch of saying, yo, bro, how you going?
Probably was in his ear, yo, how you gonna sign to Murda?
Sign to it. I think that's what it really was. Like, you God's son. You don't sign to it. You, like you just said, you the GOAT.
Let me tell you something. That's the that make empires crumble. Egos. And a lot of times it's not even wasn't even Nas. It's in his ear that was around him. Or, you know what I'm saying? Calling him like, yo, you Nas, you came out before them. They supposed to be signing to you.
Let me tell you something though. That shit would have been magical.
But that's what I'm saying.
That shit would have been magical because Gotti, like the way he produced and the way he pushed together, that would have put some together for Nas. It would have been different.
Yo,
bro.
with the momentum y'all had and Ja Rule had,
and
then Ashanti, like even if Nas would have did a quick 2 albums over this, shit would have been crazy. Yo, at that time, look, and I like building like this. Irv just had it. You know what I mean? He was looked at as a genius, still is. You know, especially when because you gotta think. He got Ja Rule. He already bought DMX and Jay there, then he got Ja, but then now Ja got his own way because Ja starting to jump in a different lane. You know what I'm saying? He did all the holla holla shit and all that, the murder shit and all that. And then Ashanti come through. She's like the rendition of Mary J. Blige in a sense. Like, you know what I mean? Like a younger version of Mary.
Princess, yeah.
Princess. Mary was the queen, she was the princess. Facts.
Yep.
And that's all happening like at the same time. Like, you know what I mean? Simultaneously. So that Nas shit would have took shit over the top. I didn't want that to happen for y'all.
Nah.
And that's the sucker shit I don't be liking in this game. You know what I'm saying? To make phone calls. Nah, don't fuck with them.
Yeah, don't fuck with them. Yeah, don't fuck with them.
Sucker.
Peace, world. This is M.Reck for MRecktv. I got those M.Reck t-shirts. I got those M.Reck hoodies. And I got those exclusive Rec Mob wares available now at the official store at teesprings.com/MRecktv. Shop today. Or you can call, better yet text me at 390-598-2974. Peace, double deuces and bubble gooses. I'm gone.
Bring back the man in you, not because you need to, but because you will want to. Improve your weight room and bedroom performance with the all-new VasoFlux for Men Natural Dietary Supplement. This unique blend of barks, roots, herbs, and vitamins is nature's way of keeping you in the game. And all for under $10. You can order yours today. Visit Youth Fountain Laboratory at youthfountainlab.com or call 1-800-853-7856 today.
Yo, wait. This M.Reck content is sponsored by yours truly. Tone Styles, Chi-Town, Holy City, Stand Up. Something to Prove, album out now on all streaming platforms. And like the big homie M.Reck say, double deuces and bubble gooses. I'm gone.
No, you're the plug and such. You a joke's bound to happen if you slipping or you lacking. I'm gripping on the matching, ready for the action. Shots to make you break dance and have you do a backspin. I got more kicks than karate flicks. My whole team pushing Maserati whips. You on IG liking thotty pics. Shorty pocket broke, but her body fixed. Peace, world. To promote your music or promote your business by placing an ad on MRecktv, contact MRecktVpromo, MRecktVpromo @gmail.com. Peace. Oh yeah, subscribe to MRecktv, youtube.com/MRecktv. I'm gone. MRecktv. It's got a music.